Coming up. We're here in Cathedral City at Palm Springs. Definitely less than desirable conditions out here today. Upwards of 100, 70% humidity. The grid still has to be maintained, whether it's sun, snow, wind, rain. These guys are out here in the elements, and they do it day to day to keep our customers' lights on. We owe it to our customers to do as much work energized as possible, but sooner or later, we're going to have to replace transformers, and that's going to require an outage.
This whole block is going to be de-energized.
There's no good way to turn people's power off. If we were to push this off, especially in Palm Springs, the high winds, the drastic change in temperatures out here, the consequences of that could be pretty detrimental, to say the least. Huge power outage that could be days, depending on the damage. The most responsible thing we do is to get out here ahead of time. So today we're doing some maintenance on some deteriorated arms. Also at the same time, we're doing a transformer upgrade due to load increase here in the community. A lot of times customers will add on to houses, increase size of air conditioners or add mini splits. And so we have to upgrade the transformers. When it's 100 degrees at night, all that demand and all that increase in heat just wears and tears on the system. The infrastructure needs to be maintained, and so that's why we got to do it 24/7, 365.